Hey guys, Lane's going to be cooking a Texas brisket, and the video is going to be every step throughout the process, so hope you all like it. First, he's starting off by getting the fire ready. He put some charcoal in there and a piece of wood. He's going to be using this pecan wood because it's one of your milder, better tasting woods to smoke with. I recommend pecan. Mesquite and oak, they're just a little bit too strong and they make everything way blacker than pecan and hickory. But yeah, it gives a really nice smoke flavor, not overbearing. The other ones can be a bit overbearing, but this one's ready to go. And we're going to get the brisket ready now to go in. Okay, right now we're going to get the brisket ready. The first step is you're going to rub it down with some mustard. And the reason behind this, not too many people do it. I don't think it's because they don't know. But the mustard, since it has vinegar in it, it helps tenderize the meat, and it also helps the rub adhere better so it doesn't fall off during the cooking process. It's also good to rub down your rack of ribs with the mustard too. So we'll see. We're going to use this Fiesta brand brisket rub. We've tried many, but Fiesta brand is good. We trust this brand. It tastes really good. We have pinto bean seasoning, fajita seasoning, rib rub seasoning, all kinds. This brand makes excellent seasonings.
Or you could just add salt and pepper, but
yeah,
it's up to you.
Yeah, you don't have to get fancy with the brisket.
This vinegar right here, it's a vinegar mustard, so it helps tenderize the meat. So this is a whole flat, so kind of trimmed off that fat right here. It's only about a 1/4 inch thick, so I'll leave that other fat on.
I'm just going to rub it down real good with the mustard. You won't even be able to taste the mustard. Surprisingly, you won't even know it's there. I've even done the mustard on chicken and fish.
It's good for fish because it holds the flour on. So if you fry a lot of fish, you could use mustard and hot sauce.
As you can see, you're going to put a thick layer of this rub on the brisket and pat it in. It's more of a pat, not a rub. I don't know why they call it a rub, but you're going to pat it in. You're not going to rub it in because it'll rub it off.
And I'll take that mustard with it.
But this is what they refer to as a dry rub.
This will be the side that goes down, fat side up. This side near your fire. I mean, there's supposed to be a point right here, but I guess they chopped it off the HEB, so this is a lean brisket.
Yeah, there was no point on any of the briskets they were selling. They're all pretty much even all the way across. mostly the lean portion, not the fatty portion. So this will be a lean brisket. It's still going to be moist, but they, for some reason, weren't selling the ones with the big point.
Yeah, and it's a 6-pound brisket, so it ain't gonna take much.
Not going to take that long to cook this one. But the good thing is it is even, so it'll cook evenly. So you don't have to worry about if some parts are done or not, or if you've left it in long enough based on the thickness of one end versus the other, because it's pretty even all the way across. So it should come out pretty good as far as cooking. Everything should taste uniform throughout the entire brisket. Because the thing that messes up grilling and smoking the most is uneven meat. Especially on steaks when one end is thicker than the other.
Alright.
Okay. Brisket has been thoroughly coated with rub. And now he's going to go put it out on the grill. Okay guys, the smoker was ready at 225 degrees, and now we've got the brisket on here, and it's gonna be cooking. He's got the bigger side. It's not really, it's pretty even, but
this
he's
is
got
where the point's supposed to be.
Yeah, the point side faced towards the firebox, and he's going to now let it sit here and be checking the temperature and the wood every hour or so going forward. And in about 4 hours he's going to check the temperature of the actual brisket, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See you soon. Okay guys, we're 4 hours in with the brisket. Temperature's teetering right around 225 because Lane is awesome at maintaining it. And he's about to check the internal temperature of the brisket right now. Woo! Smoky. Let's see. It's still going.
What's it up to?
140.
That's it?
No, it's still going. It's slowing down though.
We're just gonna say 140.
Well, it says 142.45. It's moving real slow. So, what's it supposed to be when it's done?
200.
200. It's got to break that 160 to get done in the middle, right?
Yeah. And then 200 is whenever it starts breaking down.
All right.
Get juicy.
We got a long time to go still. We're 6 hours in. Lane's still maintaining that temp here. And we're going to check the internal temperature since it's a 6-pound brisket and it's been 6 hours.
Starting to kick out that fat. Real juicy.
Right now it says 138 and still climbing. You can see it's getting a nice color. It looks good. The rub's still on there because of that mustard used as a bonding agent.
Look at that.
Yep.
$149.
149. Okay. We've got a couple more hours still to go. Hey guys, we're down to the wire, so we gotta check the brisket every hour now. It's been another hour and now it's at 1:53. Still not done. Hey, it's about, here we are, another hour in. Temp is 225. Great maintenance on that fire, babe.
Starting to blacken up.
Yep, that bark is looking right. Look at that juice. Puddle of juice there. Oh yeah. We broke that 160. Whoop whoop. That's what we were waiting on.
I'll go ahead and wrap it and wait till it hits about 200. So I don't want it getting any darker than that. Yep, 168.
Still going up a little bit. I'm gonna call it a 170 right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap it in foil paper. Let it go for a little bit longer, and then we'll see you in a bit.
Yep.
Okay, so after 8.5 hours, we've taken the brisket off the smoker, and we're going to wrap it and let it rest for about an hour. No, it's not ready. It's got to rest. Alrighty. Okay, the brisket's set. It's been rested, and we're about to cut it up. Look at that. See the juices coming up? Hey Elaine, try a piece. You take a big old piece. Y'all come try it. Give them a piece of that. Try it. How's it?
Good.
All right, there you have it. Texas brisket. Hope you enjoyed. I know we will. I'm going to cut one from this other end so you guys can see the tenderness of this brisket. Lane, just pull that sucker apart right there. Look at that. That thing is like butter.
It falls apart.
Yep. Good stuff.